I don't know about you guys, but when you see this out for delivery, that's the best feeling in the world, because you know something bomb is coming in the mail. Well, it's really not that cool. They're just window visors, but I haven't had them on the car in forever because I ripped them off because the heat ruined them. But they were only 28 bucks on eBay, so I'll drop the link for them if you want to get them for your car. They fit the 2014 and up. After I just made that clip, about 20 minutes later, the UPS driver dropped them off. Only me. I get excited over auto door visors. The best door visors, let's get that straight. So let's open them up and see what they look like. All right, so the packaging, A+, for sure. For sure. This blue tape, I got scared. I was like, why is the chrome blue? I did not want them blue. What are you trying to do? Let's chill. Each side of the visor had these on them, so it was like, it wasn't hard to take off, but I appreciate how well packaged they were. I mean, they were cheap. They're like 26 bucks for all four, and they are actually, they look better than the last ones I got. Or maybe I'm just crazy, but yeah, they look a lot better. So I'm gonna open up all of them. I'm gonna make sure there's nothing wrong with each one, and then we will go outside and put them on the car. I don't think I need to make an install video. It's pretty self-explanatory. There's tape on the back. You just stick it on. You try to put it on the best you can. So this is what it currently looks like. You can see where I fucked up. That right there. When I took them off. For how cheap they are, the Fitment's really good. $25, not bad. Got the other side done, and the Fitment is still really good. The other ones I bought didn't fit this well. Just the rear. Way better.